All right, Ryan, so what are we doing right here?
Right now we're just putting these pressure washers with the J-hook. These will go onto the wire mesh and it'll go on the panels, and we slide them, put some pressure on it, fold them and cut them.
And that will keep the mesh in place pretty much. So what we did is we went ahead, we pre-cut all the wire mesh, as you guys can see right here. Went ahead and cut that all out. So now we're going to start putting it together, and that's the next step there. So we'll get that done in a minute. Okay, we are here at part 2, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give us a thumbs up. Here we are doing our time lapse of putting bird proofing around all this mesh, new mesh that is going in, and making sure that we are getting it done and getting it done right. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching and enjoy the videos.
Now we're cutting out the mesh around these brackets, these rails, and we put a clip on this side, clip on that side. That way there's no soft entry point. Another clip right here, same thing on this side. And I'm gonna cut this out right here.
So if you're thinking about doing this yourself, think again, because it's a lot of work. And so as you can see here, we got all this right here all done, and it does take time. We still cleaned up, we're good. Now all we're doing is putting these clips on. These will last a long time, and they'll be done. So want to make sure that you guys hire SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company, and we'll do your bird proofing for you, pretty much. Ryan's a professional. He does this for a living, so you know, something we can get up on the roof, do our thing, and we don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, we like being up here.
We love being up here, so give us a call. All right, here is where we go and we clean the solar panels. We're going to go over these several times, get them nice and clean, and this pretty much is the last step and the final step. So here are the results coming up. Solar panels are nice and clean. Every single inch. We did cutouts right here underneath so the birds can't get underneath. Get all the cutouts around. Perfect. Good job. All right. We are all done, pretty much. And there it is. All finished. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys on the next one.